Today we're stitching a super simple and elegant border pattern that's perfect for anyone just starting their embroidery journey. I am drawing 4 parallel lines. I'm keeping my first line about 2 centimeters from the edge and then drawing the other 3 lines with 5 millimeter gaps between them. Now let's thread our needle with the maroon floss. We're going to stitch the feather stitch, which creates a beautiful open branching line. Continue alternating between the top and bottom lines, always bringing your needle up on the middle lines, creating those lovely V shapes. This stitch works from top to bottom, but we'll work it along our horizontal lines. Once we've finished our feather stitch border, it's time to add our little flowers. I'm threading my needle with the bright orange floss. We'll be using the lazy daisy stitch, which is perfect for small flowers. At the end of each little branch of your feather stitch, bring your needle up. These simple flowers really add a pop of color and elegance to the border. You can use it to decorate all kinds of garments. Imagine it on the hem of a skirt, the cuffs of a blouse, around a neckline, or even on the edge of a tablecloth. It adds such a personal and beautiful touch. For beginners, always choose a fabric that's easy to work with, like cotton or linen. Don't be afraid to try different thread colors to match your clothes or your personal style. Happy stitching!